Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney and today I'm going to show you how I do my crochet. My hair has just been washed, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the crochet. I'm using this one curl braid by Magic Gold. So I have two different colors. Basically I'm using the OM1B33 and I'm also going to be using the T1B30. Basically I'm gonna mix match a couple of colors. What I'm gonna be using is some castor oil here, this crochet hook here, and before I just wash them so it's still like have water on them. I'm gonna dry them using my Revlon brush and also heat them with some castor oil and also some coconut oil. So if you're interested in seeing something like that, keep watching. So I'm applying some coconut oil in my hand and then on my hair. So I did blow dry my hair off camera a little bit, but not too much because like my hair been feeling not amazing lately. I don't know, maybe I did too much heating to my hair, like in the front part. I've been heating it like too well with my wigs, so I don't know. So now I'm applying way more oil into my wool, just make sure that it go down, and then I'm trying to braid it in rolls. I don't know if you guys, I don't want to say like the name that people use for it because it's just braid, just in rolls. So that's the way I'm gonna call this style from now on. So I'm doing that. It's kind of simple. If you're new, I'm still a beginner at this because I've been doing it for myself for a couple of years, but I haven't gotten better at it, to be fair. Like my braids always look kind of messy because I don't really like make sure that everything is perfect. So now I'm done with the braids. I tied it always down on the back so it could like really be put together, and now I'm gonna be using the hair. So the hair is a color like it's kind of brown, and I really like this color on me. I've used a similar color last year. I'll put a link to this video so you can watch it. Also, it's the same kind of style, very simple, very easy, beginner friendly. It's pretty simple to use this crochet I don't know if it's a pen or whatever you want to call it, this crochet thing that I'm using. So it's kind of simple to use it. You just put it down your hair, add the hair to it, and then make a knot basically. So you do that over and over and over again until you're done. So I'm just gonna keep doing that until like I always start on the back first because like I want the back to be fully looking good before I do the front, because like in the front, if you don't have enough hair, you can always leave some part of your head without feeling it too much, but the back always needs to look pristine need to look good if you want the hairstyle to work, so you can like keep the hairstyle for a long time. So I'm planning on keeping my hairstyle for basically a month and a half before my wedding. So we are in May now and I'm gonna wear it to the end of May and to maybe mid-June, because I want to get my hair out, get my hair washed, get my hair into some type of regimen before I go and see a stylist for the hairstyle that I want for my wedding. I'll try to document that also when I'm doing the hairstyle for my wedding, so you guys can see what different hairstyle I like. Like I want to do an updo, but anyway, we'll see what they propose to me that's go well with my dress, because my dress basically, you'll see, like I cannot talk about my dress yet on my channel in case my future husband sees it, so like that's why I'm not showing you. I did make a little bit of a short video on YouTube about some other dress that I really like, but I didn't choose for my wedding, so I'll put a link to the short also here so you can see it if you're interested in seeing what type of dress I tried on. And I tried them on at David Bridal and Ottawa. That was like my second visit to them. I really like their dresses and their services over there, and I also purchased my bridesmaid dress there too. So yeah, I'm keep finishing the back, and then I'm gonna show you when I'm almost finished with my hair. You can see here like it's been a whole hour and a half later. Like this is how my hair was looking. I was doing it at night, so basically I'm not like as satisfied as I want it to be, because like as you can see, there's always an issue when you do braid, how to fill the back, because like if you do braids, like there's always some space missing. So that's why I always make sure after I've done like here, I put it halfway, as you can see, in the middle of my hair, and then I try to fill in the part of the back that's missing, so it can hide like the big space that is left. So that's why I'm doing it like that, so that way the hair will be really covered from the back. You won't see any space between your walls, I guess. And so I'm doing that, and yeah, I'm gonna show you basically how to fill the middle to the back of your hair. Sometimes you have to go and like just pull the hair in a different direction, so you have two like, I guess, mesh or whatever, two hairs, I guess, split in the middle, so you can really like fill in this part right here. This part here, I also go to the side of the braid, so I can like go to my hair directly, so I can cover it more efficiently. And yeah, so I'm doing that for the rest of, I guess I did that for like I think 30 minutes to fill the back and the front, and then I was a little bit tired. I'm just gonna show you when I stopped and then I had to go to sleep basically, because like it was a long day. And the front is very important. This is like, I show you this because I want to show you how to do it yourself. Basically put the hair in and then tied it. It's pretty simple. So you can see that my hair is not fully like, all the side is not fully like full with hair, and that's how I like it, because like I don't want to have too much hair, and I know the front are like pretty loose, they come out so easily also. So you see here, I just put the roll, tied it, and then I'll put my hands, so I make a big bowl, and then I'll just like, you know, the video explains it pretty well. And so I like tied it, and then exactly, it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. So I do that. I like parting my hair either half sideways or in the middle, but sideways is mostly what I do because I like the way it looks on me. And what happened with hair like that is like, when after a couple of weeks, the hair is gonna get really hard, and gonna have a lot of ends to it and stuff like that. And so even if you don't feel it out completely, after 2-3 weeks, the hair is gonna always like feel itself. So even the wool in the middle that I was telling you about is just for the beginning, because afterward you won't even see it. And so I keep going back there. Like back there is always an issue, like I said. I keep doing the hair, make sure that everything look good. And as you can see, sometimes I do like 2 knots just to make sure that the hair is really well tight, because I don't want it to be falling out if I'm like at school or at work or whatever. And so I'm trying to do like, yeah, whenever you do like a side, I put all the hair to one side, and I try to focus on the part where I want to add the hair, so that way I see better what I'm doing, because I'm like, I have a small mirror in front of me, nothing big. So, and I enjoy doing my hair by myself, because I know if I call some salon to go do my hair or something like that, it would cost me like probably up to $100. And doing that by myself, yeah, it takes me hours, but I spend $30 in the hair basically for a new hairstyle for a month and a half that look good. So it's kind of worth it for me, and that way my hair take a break also, because I was not doing well with it. Hey guys, so this is how my hair is looking right now after I've done first like just put them in. So tomorrow morning, that's when I will have like cuts and see basically the length and everything. So I'll show you that. So yeah, I'll show you the little bit of it tomorrow, so you can see the final hair, but that's basically how it's looking right now. I mean, I'll show you tomorrow. I mean, you're gonna see it like in a couple of minutes. I'll show you how my hair looks on the next day, because that's when I like cut the ends and do all of like the straightening and get it to like the proper heights. And so hey guys, this is the next morning. This is the final look of my hair. Like basically I put it sideways, and I still left like some baby hair right here that I can like maybe play around with. Like when I want the hair to look even more put together, I'm gonna be like show you the back. Look from the side. side, and I can, that's one look, and I can always pull my hair back like that, tied it. But I really like the side bun because that's how I made it to, like, basically. So I'm gonna wear my hair every day for basically around a month and a half. That's gonna be the look for this summer. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you know expensive at all? So you have a lot of options when you do your hair with crochet at home by yourself. It takes you a little bit, but it's worth it, I think. So if you have any question on how to do your hair and which color exactly that I put in my hair, even though I set them, I'll put the information down below for you to know. And thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.